Are wheel spacers safe for Audi A5? Commonly, these Audi wheel spacers are made of interval between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to provide a more compact stance and increase the stance between the wheels. As long as you use high-quality Audi wheel spacers and install them correctly, they are very safe. The safety of wheel spacer largely depends on their quality, fitting, and installation. The wheel spacer installation must exactly match the wheel assembly and the rim purpose. High quality and high precision wheel spacers installation brings you the following benefits: aesthetics, providing a flat appearance of the vehicle. Larger tires, allowing safe use of aftermarket wheels and tires. Accommodate larger tire for custom wheels. Brake clearance, clearing the clearance issue for big brake calipers. Bonus Forge lightweight plus wheel spacers are perfect for you. They are hollowed for an extra lightweight plus advantage. The hollow hole is a proven design that is effectively reducing weight. The average weight of each Bonus Forge lightweight plus wheel spacer is more than 30% lighter than the previous generation product. Adding such a small lightweight components most noticeable reduce fuel consumption. They also don't hurt the wheel bearings. Choosing the right wheel spacer for your vehicle involves careful consideration of material quality, thickness, compatibility with your vehicle. High-quality wheel spacers can improve the driving experience by enhancing handling, stability, and appearance. If you have any questions about bonus wheel spacers, please leave your comments below. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!